Hello and welcome to another Greater Tax Returns Agency Training Essentials. And in this video tutorial, we're going to share with you or share with you how to navigate in your client, within your client's letters, and also customize those letters, and also forms, just kind of getting to know what forms are available in your system. And the tabs that we're referring to up on your navigation bar is letters right up here, and also forms. The letters basically are letters that you are to send out to clients that pertain to their returns. And so if you click on letters, then you'll see a series of letters that are standard in the system. And then, of course, you have a tab here where you can actually customize letters as well, but we're going to get to that in a minute. So let's say you want to send out a scheduling letter. You can or even a pre-session. Say, for example, you have a client that, has questions about their returns, and they want to set up a session before a meeting before you, they make a decision of you actually processing your tax returns. So we come here, I just clicked on the letters and that pre-scheduled letter. And as you can see, we have three samples here of clients where you can see the letter and or send the client an email, which is a cool feature. So we're going to show this letter. Let's see if it'll come up for us today. And let's give it a minute. Okay. And it's actually processing. Okay. So here we go. Here is a sample letter. And then so that you'll have all kinds of tools that you can use to help keep you connected to your clients. You can change the information in the letter, but on the most part, it just explains what you're doing and how you're doing it. Okay, so it says, "Dear Regina Woods, income tax time is just around the corner. The enclosed organizer has been prepared to assist you in gathering information for your 2016 tax return. Please review the entire organizer and answer all questions that apply to you." So there is a form that can be sent to the customers from this system that asks for specific information from that client other than your questionnaire. So it's like the questionnaire almost. So it's a pretty nice document that you can also use to get information from your client. And then, of course, you can send the email. So if we scroll on down to settings, you'll actually go to customize letter style. And in here, you can click on pre-session letter or any one of these letters and be able to make adjustments to this letter or to any of the letters. So as I stated before, you can change the bold, the type, the boldness. You can change the font, the size of the font. So you've got a lot of great things that you can do with this to be able to help, you connect with your clients. You have a client organizer, which is a new feature in this system. And basically what it is let's say, let's go here to this one sample, Susan Doe Smith, and we're going to edit her organizer. And it's no more than a document that shares information about that client. and what you're going to do for that client. Just basic general information with questions, a questionnaire, and all that comes with it. So you print, you click print, the questionnaire comes up, and you're able to send this document to the clients and they're able to fill in the blanks. Okay, outside of what you filled in already. And it's about 3 pages. And it just asks for, you know, just general information about the clients. There it is. General information, income information, business information if they're self-employed, itemized deductions, and anything else that applies to the client. So it's a nice feature that you can utilize as well. And then of course, you have mailing labels. Now, the beauty about this system is that you can go with, you know, if you have existing clients in this system, you can actually send them a printed organizer once you get their information in the system, their name, their address, their phone number, basic stuff in here. You can actually send them this organizer. They fill it out and send it back to you. So that's a great feature to have. Then we have, of course, forms. Forms is no more than the documents needed to process a tax return, and you just have a library of all the IRS income tax publications and forms that you need to process a tax return, along with instructions. So outside of Greater Tax Returns Agents portal having all of this, you have access to it here as well. Everything that you can imagine. So if you don't understand something, if you don't know anything, you can't get a hold of your manager, this is where you go to get it done. So we thank you for joining us in this video tutorial, and we look forward to connecting with you in the next.